What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I picked up a new case. UAG sent over this case to me, and I wanted to thank them so much for sending this over. UAG is an awesome case maker. They make cases for pretty much every single phone. They're premium quality, premium protection. These are drop tested. I highly recommend these cases. Now, the one thing about UAG is you're gonna have to pay a pretty penny for these cases. This case here is around $39, 40 bucks. You can get a coupon from UAG's website, also on Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can actually pick up this case. This is the ice color. It also comes in an ash color. Now, the quality of this case is absolutely tremendous. I mean, it has every single thing that you could ask for in a case. The openings are perfect. The protection is excellent. Just the craftsmanship. You can actually tell between this case and similar cases. I know a lot of people say, oh, you can get this one that's a little less, or this one's that's cheap, and it pretty much, I've had those, and now I've had the UAG. The UAG is just really good quality. It is a lot of money, but I think it's worth, you pay for what you get. The only thing that I'm not crazy about is that top opening here, how it has like that just boom, you know, for your pop-up camera. But let's slap it in here. Like I said, this is the ash color that you can pick up on Amazon, and I will leave a link down in the description so you guys can pick that up real quick, so you don't have to worry about this or that, you know what I mean? So the volume down button is on the left side, and they work really good, real easy to push. You won't have any issues with it as far as pushing it up and down. Now the off button here on the right side is real easy to push too, so you won't have an issue there. Now you have a great opening. I like how they did the opening on this UAG case for the volume slider. It's real easy to get to, so you won't have an issue setting that up. So if you want to put on silent, vibrate, or ring, you're good to go, and it's real easy. I think it's one of the best done, how they have that craftsmanship there, where it's an opening, but it's not a hole. It's kind of like a slot. So I really like that. Now, the corners are protected tremendously. You have reinforced corners, so if you drop this sucker, you're not gonna have an issue. Now, the only thing that I'm not crazy about, and I'll talk about that in a second, but look at this openings down here. They're perfect down here for your SIM card. The SIM card, I don't think you're gonna be able to get out. You probably have to take the case out, but you do have an opening for it if you do need it. You have an opening there for your Type-C for your charger, and also your speaker there, so you could jam out to your music or whatever you need to do. Now, this is the thing that I'm not crazy about, is the pop-up camera opening. Now, the pop-up camera opening, you won't have any issues getting the camera in and out. That's not the issue. My issue is I don't like aesthetically how it's just like a hole, but hey, it's none of here or there. It just depends what you like. I like when it's a hole, but hey, it still looks good. It's still a great case if you guys want to pick it up. Now, lip protection wise, I think it has some decent lip protection, as you can see here. Let's put this down here on the counter. It looks like it hits the screen, so lip protection wise, not bad, not bad. I mean, you do get some protection here on the lips, so you're gonna have to just be careful with it, because this is a beautiful screen, you know, real nice, full bezel-less design, 6.7-inch display, so you want to be careful. But I'll tell you what, those edges are really great protection. But like I said, if you guys want to pick this up, I'm going to show you where to get that right here. I think I had it up here. Let me see if I have it up right there. That's right, $39.95 right there. That's the ice color, which is, you could see your blue, but it's got like that icy feel to it. So if you want to pick it up, you could also get a coupon from UAG, or reach out to them. Maybe they'll work with you on getting a case. But that's gonna do it, man. I'm Android Stud. Follow me on Twitter at Android Stud, also on Instagram. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I'm dropping some cases for the OnePlus 7 Pro or some other devices here and there. That's gonna do it, man. That is the UAG Urban Armor Gear. That's what it stands for. for the OnePlus 7 Pro. It's pretty hot. I like it.